Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have ROBOROCK QRevo Curv vacuum cleaner and I'm going to show you how to add routines. At first click on routine over here. Here as you can see we have recommended routines, vac followed by mop, after meals, deep, intensive sweeping or deep plus. We can click add, for example, deep or deep plus. And as you can see, we have now added our deep plus. We can, apart from that, click plus over here. And here, as you can see, we have our routine. Add task, full cleaning, room cleaning, or zone cleaning. We can add, for example, full cleaning. And here, as you can see, we have full cleaning. Customize, vac and mop. We have to click edit. And now we can manage every setting of our vac and mopping. After that we have to click complete, and as you can see now we have routine. The first task is full cleaning of our room. Then we can, for example, zone cleaning, and we have to add zone. For example, I want only clean only mop over here, and we have to click edit. Here we can manage if we want to smart plan, vac and mop, or only mop. I will choose only mop with the high water flow, cleaning homes 2 times, and with root deep plus. I will now click complete, and now we have to wait a moment. Here, as you can see, we have our tasks, full cleaning and zone cleaning. After that we can click complete or add a new task. Here we have to now rename our routine, for example, hard and OK. Here as you can see now we have this deep plus which we added earlier and hard. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.